Terence Graham Parry Jones was a Welsh actor, writer, comedian, screenwriter, film director, historian, and a member of the Monty Python comedy team. After graduating from Oxford University with a degree in English, Jones and writing partner Michael Palin wrote and performed for several high-profile British comedy programs, including Do Not Adjust Your Set and The Frost Report, before creating Monty Python's Flying Circus with Cambridge graduates Graham Chapman, John Cleese, and Eric Idle, and the American animator-filmmaker Terry Gilliam. Jones was largely responsible for the program's innovative, surreal structure, in which sketches flowed from one to the next without the use of punchlines. He made his directorial debut with the Python film, Holy Grail, which he co-directed with Gilliam, and also directed the subsequent Python films Life of Brian and The Meaning of Life. Jones co-created and co-wrote with Palin the anthology series Ripping Yarns. He also wrote an early draft of Jim Henson's film Labyrinth, though little of his work remained in the final cut. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.